Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The US 10-year note auction will be released at 17 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 23:01 GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 9:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Physically backed gold ETFs recorded their largest semi-annual inflow since the first half of 2020, from January to June. A trade war sparked by Donald Trump's tariff policy prompted investors to seek shelter from political and economic volatility in gold ETFs. The pound rose, gaining against the likes of the yen after the US announced 25% tariffs on imports from Japan and South Korea, as investors gravitated towards markets that are less at risk of being hit by hefty duties. Venture capital investment in crypto rebounded in the second quarter of 2025, with companies raising $10.03 billion over the three-month period ending June. It was the strongest quarter since Q1 2022 at $16.64 billion.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session, after a 1.1% intra-session dip. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.9% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session, after a 1.4% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.